Okay, so once you get those pieces glued together with your welcome, this is what it'll look like with, notice the dowel holes behind the sign, the wood engraving on the front. See, there's none on the back. Wood engraving on the front. And that was the one, remember, that had one slat. Okay, once you get through with that, set it over to the side. All right, next up, so I kind of glued these together already to save us a little bit of time. So next you're gonna take the piece that had multiple slats in the bottom, okay? You're gonna take your other wood grain engraved piece and you're going to insert it into the slots where it goes, okay? Dowels, again, dowel holes are going to be behind it. Now notice that I went ahead and glued in the flamingos into their slots as well, okay? Once you glue this engraved wood piece in, you will notice that the flamingos will fall into place. All right, and it is easier to assemble on the end of a table. So the next pieces, and notice these are not painted, they're going to be covered, but they serve a purpose. And so now we are going to take your two background pieces and these are going to be glued on top. Notice that there's a slot in the front for the legs to come through. Same thing for this one. There's a slot on the front for the legs to come through, okay? So that's essentially going to be the third layer because we have the wood ingrained layer, we have the unpainted backgrounds glued into their slot, and now we have the ones that have legs. All right, now I'm not going to glue mine as I go, I'm just going to lay them on top. Now, the next layer for this side has the feathers that fall over the front. It's like that for a reason, so that the feathers are falling over the front and you don't see that as much, okay? It creates a dimensional project. So this one's a little bit different on this side. It just has a head on this side, okay? So there's those two pieces. Next up are going to be your feathers.